Right, I was going to fetch our Izzy, but usually there's cows in this and next field, so I didn't bother. Plus, this is where buzzards hang about and all. So she needs to grow a little bit so that buzzards don't think she's a rabbit. Right, so anyhow, there's been a couple of hammered come off here. There's all sorts come off, but most recent, what, a couple of hammered. So we'll get back to you, see if we find out. Right, not even 10 yard front gate. My first signal, like a button. It's alright, it's a good start that. That'll do me, flat button. Right, I'm using Golden Mask Pro 4WD by the way. So, there you go. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, gate's only there, I'm what, 25 yard, 30 yard off gate. Another button. It's a tomback this time. A little bit chipped off. I don't mind finding buttons, me. Not at all. Right. If it's picking buttons up, there's no problem with picking coins up. So, and we've missed these because we've done this quite a few times, me and a couple of lads. So, yeah, let's hope there's some hammered left on here. And I'll swing coil on them. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, shotty cap, shotgun cartridge. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, small rimfire cartridge, 2.2 I think. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, next signal, looks like another button. Yeah, it's got a shank in back now. There you go. That's alright, 3 buttons. It's more than what I've been finding lately. Right, back to you in a bit. There you go, well down in oil. That piece of shrapnel. Chuffing hell. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I've backed in because there were a little scrot hanging about my car, so when I spotted him I come legging it upfield and through up gate, and he were off like his ass were on fire up there. If I'd have been pointing it right direction I'd have chased him in the car and kicked his ass or run over him. But anyway, no damage done to the car. So I'm going to call it a day now. Right, coke there, couple of bits of iron, couple of shotty caps, a piece of shrapnel and 3 buttons. I enjoyed it. I've only been out an hour and a half, but enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it more if I'd got out of that little shit. Right, so let's hope. Well, that's be having a. Ah, fuck that. I'll cut that out. Right. So that's somebody called Sean. Fuck knows who it is. Right. So till next time. Take care. And good luck. Please like, comment and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.